In air conditioning, refrigeration, heat pumps, data centers, and energy storage thermal management, scroll compressors are becoming the heartbeat of the system, driving performance with growing influence, gaining strong market recognition. As a leader in rotary compressors, GMCC has been pioneering scroll technology since 2007, with cumulative sales exceeding 2 million units by 2025. Through continuous improvements in technology, manufacturing processes, and large-scale production, GMCC scroll compressors have stood out in a highly competitive market. Through sustained R&D investment, GMCC has achieved breakthroughs in green, high efficiency, and low noise scroll compressor technologies. As of now, GMCC holds over 400 patents for scroll compressors and has continuously improved testing and quality assurance, earning recognition from all 4 major global certification systems. With global R&D and manufacturing facilities, GMCC stays close to customers for quick response. For VRF systems, heat pumps, industrial refrigeration and other applications, GMCC continues to expand its variable speed and fixed speed scroll compressor portfolios. Variable speed scroll compressors feature advanced EVI technology, high efficiency motors, and high protection design, excelling in wide operating range, energy efficiency, and reliability. Fixed-speed scroll compressors have quickly gained market traction with wide operating range, high reliability, low vibration, and energy efficiency. From rotary leader to scroll challenger, GMCC drives industry progress through technological innovation. GMCC will continue to focus on larger displacement, higher efficiency, and smarter scroll technologies, contributing to a green and sustainable future for the global HVACR industry.